Hello guys! Welcome back again to our channel. For today's video, comeback vlog namin. Pupunta kami ngayon sa Montreal. Magdadrive muna ako papuntang McDonald's. Magla-lunch muna ako. Then iiwan ko din lang pala tong sasakyan sa airport. Babalikan na lang next week pagbalik namin. So hindi pa kasi ako nag-lunch. Magti 3 PM na. Ang flight ko is 5. So mag-quick snack lang sa McDo. So yan, nandito na tayo sa McDo guys. Grabe ang init ngayon. Yan, 27. Ayan, nakakapanibago. Sobrang init. So guys, dito na tayo sa airport. Ayun yung airport. So iiwanan lang natin yung sasakyan dito. Mukhang wala namang bayad. Bali ito yung local airport dito sa town namin. So iwanan ko siya dito. Then mag-airplane ako pa Montreal. Ayan, double check. Double check na lahat. Position. Yan. Natin. Okay naman. Bago tayo mag-iwan sa loob. Yan naman. Okay. So ayan. Excited ako guys. After 6 years. 6 years and 4 months. Makakasakay tayo ng airplane. So ayun. Update ko na lang kayo guys pag nasa loob na ako. Mainit.
So your flight number is 928. So the first plane's coming. The second one. Your flight number is right in here.
Okay. Thank you.
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be a stranger's dream. Lock up this heart of mine, wanna wear it on my sleeve. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new. And now this shit wasn't blood. My mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Wanna throw away your enmity. Wanna wear it to sleep tonight. Wanna wipe our slate clean. Wanna pick this thing up right where we left off. Wanna block your number. Take one last time, make it another.
So guys, dito na kami sa aming Airbnb. Ang ganda din. Oh, mabango. Multi-level pala siya. Yan yung basement. Ito yung kitchen. Ang ganda. Let's see the backyard. Oh, may barbecue din. Oh, hindi na kami. Ay. Hirap buksan. Oh, nice. Ang ganda. Saan yung mga ilaw? Medyo madilim na lang siya. Or dahil medyo late na. So, dito tayo sa mga... Ay, nakakatakot to. Oh, parang kung nagkamali ka ng liko. Ganyan. This is the first bedroom. At yata yung merong ensuite na toilet. Ayan, dito kami. Yan. I-reserve na natin to guys. Ayan, may aircon. Tapos, first, second room. Ito yung common na bathroom. Oh, nice shower. Tapos ito yung isang room. Yan, lahat may aircon. Naka-attach na ganun. Oh, nice. Tapos meron ding mga closet. Ayan, ganda tayo sa basement. Oh, ito yung may access sa backyard dito. Oh. So, meron pa yata dito. Ah, ito yata yung sa garage. Hi! Ay, pwede dito! Oh, meron pa dito. Oh, ito. Meron parang hidden bedroom. Oh, nice ah. Ito yung laundry. Ayan na sila. Hi! Picture, picture! Yan, dami.
Oh my days. Look at this. Look at these.
Ako na nalagay mo, babe.
Ha?
Oh,
Ayun, Sandy. Okay, game. Okay, Ben. Ako din. Oh, one.
Two things can be true. Wanna throw away your vanity. Wanna wear it to sleep tonight. Wanna wipe our slate clean. Wanna pick this thing up right where we left off. Wanna block your number, take one last time, make it another. Wish I was one or the other. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is no.
Hindi ko alam kung ano to eh. Ano to ate? Parang may mga sesame.
No, I'm gonna split it apart.
If it's black, it's white. If it's wrong, it's right. As soon as I pick one, I'll switch sides.
Ang bilis.
You
So
didn't
ito
know-
guys, pupunta kami ng
You didn't notice it
Old
until we
Port
told
of
you.
Montreal with the gang. Si Manong Joby,
Ako
Kuya
magsasearch.
Jarby. So, sasakay lang kami sa REM, yung train line dito sa Brossard.
Is it actually
Papuntang,
yours or did you buy it second?
ewan ko kung anong station yun. Anong station tayo pupunta?
Panama.
Yung Panama Station. And then from there, sasakay kami ng REM. Papunta dun sa
I'm really not
Old
sure whether or
Port.
not the space or not roundabouts. They don't use amps. We have no music. No, we're talking to each other. Sa Pilipinas.
So, yan, Station Panama.
Est-ce que je peux dire?
On veut juste aller dans sa salle.
Donc on va aller retour.
Le réseau ouvrira à 16h30 des heures excepté les dimanches 21 et 28 juin.
Don't lose that, bebe. Yan. Ito sa station. Ito tayo dun sa Gar Central. Is this the first station? No? Second, no? Wow. I remember KL. Ayun. Ayun, Tim. Oh. Ikaw, Vic. Sayang ang binayad mo.
Ang kasama na bayad ko yung kayo. Parang dito wala pa.
Wala to ginagawa to, may hangin.
Ah, good.
So dito na, doon na yung Old Port. Ay, nagpunta tayo dito last year.
Oh, grabe nung bago tayo
Doon
dito.
At
Sabi ni
so ayan, dito tayo sa may Ferris wheel. So, ayan, lakad-lakad lang tayo. Grabe, ang init. Pero okay na kaysa umuulan, di ba? So ito, binabalikan lang namin yung mga places na pinuntahan namin dito nung mga bagong dating pa lang kami dito sa Canada. Tulad dito, yan. Dati nag-ice skating pa yung mga bata dyan nung bagong dating pa lang kami. Yung mga first 2 days kami sa Canada. Ayan, pasyal-pasyal lang tayo dito sa park.
Ng weekend.
Sabi ng babae, buli mo ako, buli mo ako.
Awal ko.
Chapel Notre Dame et Bon Secours. Oh, is that way? Ba't nandun? Ba't yun sa araw, oh? That's not Notre Dame de Montréal. Really? Okay.
With sugar. Sugar and cream.
There's also Dorna. With Castor.
Yeah.
Hello. Ikan.
Oh, it's not even detachable. It's fixed.
Nandito kami sa Mont Tremblant. Ayan, sasakay tayo dun. Hila tayo. So, mainit today. Pero medyo makulimlim. Pero buti nga hindi masyadong tirik yung araw. Yan, sasakay tayo dyan. Libre lang daw yan. Paakyat. Kaya walang masyadong pila. Mainit. Ako na, video natin yung ano, yung view. Wala akong masabi.
You're not doing anything.
Uy. Oh, walang aircon, no? Yung sa ano may aircon.
Yes, because it's made for winter.
True. Wait, it looks short, but then like there's more.
Oh, see, look at that
yeah.
truck.
Hello.
Ah.
Heavy duty truck. Oh, that's the luge. Where?
The luge.
What? We should do that.
Just go straight
I
down.
want to do luge.
Don't need to do the zigzag, just go straight down.
Saan yun?
Ang galing, may
Yan, yung truck na yan.
Yung ano, concrete track na yan.
Ano yun, mga boat?
We can do illusion.
Oh.
Well, I think it's like a different kind of luge. Like, it's like
What's a luge?
It's like
The luge. If you
I don't know how to
did a
describe it.
business
It's like,
and
it's like a
didn't
sled.
earn.
If I did a business and didn't earn.
Yeah, it's luge.
My ears are getting blocked.
Imagine skiing down
Yeah.
this. Oh.
Diyan ka ba mag-i-ski? Hindi ka dyan mag-i-ski.
You can.
Yeah, of course you ski here.
It's like the super shaft in Shibugami.
But scarier.
For
Do you have turkey here?
Our yachts.
Of course. That's why there's Thanksgiving.
Can you open the window to the max?
It is a
What's the match? You want me to open the door?
Yeah,
to
wala
the
nga
floor?
ano.
Yes, please.
Dito ka, bebe. I'm cold na.
No, it's
Ang daming ano.
You're cold there.
Yeah, because the air is coming here. Oh, you switch. We switch.
Madali, we switch.
Because I'm really hot.
Oh, yeah.
Bigo siya ka.
Ay, shit!
Oh.
Oh my God. Okay, then.
Classic. Classic. Ano pa?
Oh.
Move, Jaden.
Ay,
I
sure
already
ka,
see
pwede.
the top.
Siya ka, sabo?
Pwede ba talaga tumayo? Baka bawal tumayo.
Parehas lang yan.
Ay, ang init nga.
Oh, yan. Oh, dyan.
Mainit!
Yeah. No, I miss it so much.
Ski like the whole
No, I miss it so much. Mapapanaginipan na ni Ate Martin yan.
Parang nakukuhay na ako mag-ski, di pa ako nakakaski.
No, I miss it. Pinakamataan.
We should have brought in Buck's crate.
We did not expect this.
Oh, pwede yatang pumasok. Ito kami sa Montmorency. Sightseeing. Oh, may train pa pala. Eh. May din. Train.
You really want to go ziplining? When's the last time you went
Baka doon.
ziplining?
You need to pay.
Oh yeah, you did
Say
do the
hello.
thing that my daddy and I did, right? You know, it was like, I don't know, 25 zip lines you have to do.
Wow. O, dito maganda mag-picture. Ay, baba na pumunta dyan.
Yun nga eh.
Ayun nga. Ay, baka dyan yun, oh.
Ayan na sila, oh. Yeah, we're gonna go there.
Yan, yan. Lakad-lakad.
Kuya, you need to...
Ayun,
Your
we need
legs
to
are
cross
so
that.
white compared to your face.
No.
Yeah, because I always wear long pants.
Compare your legs to your so white.
Gonna ride the cable car. Oh, mahaba pa ito. Paikot-ikot.
There's some postcards.
Ah, saan? Nandito? Oo nga. Baka, ito. 87? 87 cents.
87, yeah.
Ah,
Stickers still there. What's that?
87.
I'm gonna be up to some point.
But I wanna have a place that has like place I've been to. This one. Oh no, or this one. This one's nice. Not sure.
This one is cute, oh.
You can get one for Jack and one for Evan.
Ebe. Nice yung shirt. Joko boy. Joko will just rip it up for 1 minute.
$50.
Now we're gonna cross the bridge.
Ay, yeah, Jaden. Ay, yeah.
So funny.
Nice day today, sunny. It's hot.
Mami, saan nang gagaling yung tubig? Ba't bilang, nag-i-spawn lang ng ganyan? Saan nang gagaling yung tubig? Biglang lumalabas na lang ng ganyan?
Oh, galing.
Sa ilalim may butas.
Oh, ayun.
Di mo, wala, tapos biglang may tubig agad. Why are you recording me? Ana,
For evidence.
the fun's ruined.
Oh, it's nice view. You can see the bridge over there. It's 12 noon. So it's so hot. At bababa na kami dun sa stairs. Ayan, go down. Balik na sa parking. Pinapark. Balcony mo. Sana! Ang bad naman oh, inang-iwan ako. Hindi ba yung magla-landslide?
Contemplate kung tatalon ka na.
Gusto mo maglakad doon?
Magkano yung yung parang gusto ko pag
Dito na kami sa Old Quebec.
kaya dyan muna.
Dagan.
Yeah, just
Le truc du diable.
Ah,
muna tayo.
Sa
dito
baba?
Sa taas.
ito yung may butik na parang Christmas. Ano? Ayan, souvenirs.
It's the same stickers as in store.
Ito yung Christmas ano, di ba? Na, saan ba yun yung Christmas boutique? There is ayun na parang ano yung meron doon yung kulay blue.
Basta dahil muna tayo lahat.
So this is right where the sign is. And those are the steps, like we can take steps all the way up.
Maputit champagne.
Lalaki. Excited na excited yung asawa niya.
Sino?
Eh, kanina, hindi mo na rin.
No. Oh. Yeah, the slippery one.
Yeah.
The super
Yeah, we'll go to
slippery.
that street later.
You remember that?
Akit ka sa hagdan to the plains. Where going?
여기가 좀 일찍 닫는 샵들이 있어서
이 초콜릿 아이스크림 많이 파네.
Chocolate.
Do you hear that?